Hi, the goal of this video is to show you how to change bases with logarithmic form. For example, logarithm of x in base a is given by logarithm of x divided by logarithm of a. Logarithm of x in base a is equal ln of x divided by ln of a. I'll be using the C language for this tutorial. A link in the description will take you directly to the work page. This is a work page, a wikibook. You must first download the hash file. You can find here the hash file. You can then download the first example. Hello. I try to download the first example. What I want to work, I want change of base with logarithm form. Change of base with logarithm form. Okay. First I must download this example. This example is in two files, a hash file, fd. I copy this file into my editor. I save this file with the name fd. Now I must download the C file for this example. I copy this C file. I want to verify if I have all the file. Yes, I have the hash file and the C file. Okay. I save my C file. Now I try this example. The logarithm of x in base a is ln of x divided by ln of a. In C language, you must write log of x divided by log of a instead of ln of x divided by ln of a. You must write this in Mathc and you must write this in C language. This is a numerical example. Logarithm of 3 in base a give this value. To obtain this value, I call a function. I call the function log of a. Alors, x3 in base a 5. This is the value. This function is right in the fd file. So this is a function that I call here. The first argument is x and the second argument is the base. Alors, in Mathc you must write ln in Mathc you must write this, but in C language you must write log of x divided by log of in base a. The base here and the value of x here. Okay. Now it can be interesting to understand how to obtain this value, this equality. Oh, c'est dangereux ça. This is equality that I want to understand how to obtain this. Ok, alors, in first, alors I write log of x in base a equal x. Now, I know if I use successively exponential of x in base a and logarithm of x in base a, if I use successively these two functions cancel each other. If I use successively the exponential of x in base a and the logarithm function of x in base a, if I use successively these two functions cancel each other. Also, I use a log of x in base a equal ax. I have introduced the function exponential in base a. These two functions cancel each other. Also, this gives x ax. Okay. Now let's introduce the function ln. Alors, into 1 to 1. Alors, so I have ln of x equal ln of a, the exponential of x in base a. Okay. You know that the property of the ln function is ln of x power n equal n ln of x. This is a rule for the ln function. So I can write ln of x equal x ln of a. Now I want to isolate x. Also I have ln of x divided by ln of a equal x. What is x? X equal log of x in base a. x equal log of x in base a. So I write log of x in base a equal ln of x divided by ln of a. Okay, this is that I want ln of log of x in base a equal ln of x divided by ln of a. Change of bases with logarithmic form. The change of base allows, for example, to derive a function which does not have a differentiation rules. For example, if I write this function y equal log of x in base a, log of x, I am not able to derivate this function. I am not able to derivate this function. But if I rewrite this function with the ln function, I can write y equal ln of x divided by ln of a. This is a work for today now. Now I can write ln of x divided by ln of a. I know that ln of x, the derivative of ln of x is 1, and 1 divided by x, so I can write y equal 1 divided by x, 1 ln of a. I'm not able to derive this function, Also, I write this function with the ln function. I separate ln and the ln function, and now I am able to derive this function. I know that the derivation of ln of x is 1 divided by x, and I have now the solution. Okay, it is all. Alors, the work that I have do on my screen, you can find here a copy. In this copy, you can find this equality, and here you can verify my work on the screen when I want derive this function that I am not able to do. But if I use the ln function, I can derive this function in this way. Thank you.